What's going on, guys? This is Chandler Smith, and today I get a house tour of the Stradman.
Welcome to Utah, the beautiful state of Utah.
I am so spoiled and so excited. Also, I'm very jealous because I don't have all the negative emotions towards your house that I do towards my own. So I'm really
I get that. I felt the same when I looked at your house because it has been such a stressful process, but it's gonna be worth it for both of us. We should be moving in like simultaneously.
Yeah.
Basically the same day.
We should.
We should.
But probably not.
If I'm in before you, that's kind of ironic
really
because you
sad.
started 6 months before me.
Yeah, it'd be a major bummer. But let's do it.
Let's do it, yeah.
Hey!
You know, the sign says do not use this door, but for Chandler Smith, come on
Let's
in.
go. What's that
Welcome.
Cribs show? MTV
Cribs, yes, welcome to the crib. Welcome to the crib. This is one of my favorite parts of the house. You got the two cantilevers. I think it's such cool design.
It feels so grand.
Yes, that's the perfect word, grand. And then the light, you have all these massive windows, and the windows, they have like the plastic sheeting on right now. So once you pull that off, it's gonna look even brighter. And for filming, like it's
Grandiose.
Grandiose, yes, grandiose. So, kitchen first.
The countertop is unreal.
It's so cool.
We did one similar to this on our fireplace downstairs. I love the black with the white.
With the waterfall too, I think it's really cool.
So cool.
I love how big it is too. You got the big dome lights also. This is where I'll probably spend honestly most of my time. Like laptop right here, editing right here in the kitchen all day.
So awesome.
We got dining room right here. So we have the big doors that'll open up. That's so we can get the car through to hang up on the wall right over there.
So crazy. Are you gonna be way stressed, or do you feel like you have people that actually know what they're doing for that?
I think anytime you hang a car on a wall, you're always stressed, you know? Because like, imagine the scenario in which it goes bad. What does that mean? That means the car falls off said wall onto the floor.
Into the basement.
So you think about the catastrophic domino effect of that. That's a hard one to explain to your insurance agent.
Which one would you call, the car insurance agent or the house?
That's actually a great, I have not thought of that.
Insure the car.
Yes, definitely insure the car. Insure both, right?
Yep.
Yeah, make 2 claims. So, yeah, so kitchen. So we're still waiting on appliances. So those should be here next week. We are so close to moving in. And then we have like this infinity pantry that I think is really cool. I think it's just nice not having like a door and like you put all the nonsense, the toaster and whatnot there.
It's awesome. Well, and this is super sick. The only issue with your house is the fact that I know the massive, incredible garage is coming.
Yes.
So I'm going to be aiming.
We're saving the best for last. We're saving the best for last. The kitchen, one of the big things for the kitchen, I was like, okay, so I'm single, I have no kids, like maybe there'll be a woman in my life someday, but if I ever sell it, there will be a woman involved. And so I wanted the kitchen to sort of, I don't know, sort of match the garage on that level. And I think we came close, maybe not quite, but I think it works.
I saw the faucet. That thing is.
Yeah. Faucets are not cheap. Talk about a boring thing to spend money on, but also necessary.
What are you covering the fireplace with?
So we're gonna put some like metal sheets, basically like black metal sheets all the way up. And then we have some floating shelves also gonna go up too. And then I want to get some cool artwork maybe up high. Nothing too crazy, but like.
One's good friend Yogi, maybe.
Honestly, if Chandler commissions a painting of Yogi, I will hang it on my wall somewhere.
Where are you? Right here?
No, I just. So there's a closet downstairs in the basement. That's where we're gonna hang it.
About to drop down quick.
That's on camera. So this is the master bedroom that we're entering. So we're still waiting on carpet. But
These are fancy.
I love this ceiling fan.
So
it's like modern industrial. It kind of reminds me of like a gear.
Yeah.
I think it's pretty cool.
It also looks like if you were hot at night, that could definitely cool you off. Or push you off the bed.
We have the deck right here. Is this locked? It's locked. But deck out to the hot tub. That'll be cool.
This is awesome.
The tub is sick. It's such a big tub too. Like talk about square footage.
Double up, get in there, see if you can both.
Sorry, dude, Yogi, hop in, man. We're for 2.
That's awesome.
All right, Chandler, you gotta get into it.
Okay, that's actually, this is good. Dude, if we break this tub, that's gonna be really bad.
That conversation with my contractors.
Okay, I'm gonna step in
was
first.
broken. I came in. It was just.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. Well, that's gotta be a warranty claim. Now we gotta get out somehow. The shower. Dude, Chandler, get in here, get in here. We got 2 shower heads.
Hey.
Stare into my eyes, Yogi. Look how many chambers in the shower. This shower is enormous.
This is so
I didn't
cool.
realize how big it was going to be.
Yeah, this is
like
nice.
when I saw it on the design, I didn't realize.
This is some deep.
There are some things I spent a lot of money on, and other things I like cheapened out on. And
Tell me, does this angle? It totally angles.
oh, maybe that'll get the Chandler.
There too.
You should crossfire, dude.
It's right in the middle.
Yeah, man. We could cross streams and cross streams.
I would cut that out. It's not my video, but I So this is the walk-in closet. It's not done. Won't be done for a while. But that'd be cool someday. I want to have shoes. You guys are gonna have to help me fill like you 4 gurus for shoes.
Plugs.
Yes.
What are those called?
Chubbies. Yeah.
Just a whole wall of chubbies.
Whole wall of chubbies. Are you zooming in on my chubs?
Now I am.
Anyway, so we're now upstairs. What do you think, Chandler? Like, do we want to see all the bedrooms? So there's 2 bedrooms down there.
Well, let's just see
Should we
them.
just go see them?
This is Ryan's bedroom.
Yes,
That's
yes.
Garrett's.
This is my week. We're gonna get some hot twins. We're gonna get married, obviously.
Let's go. Dude, no, when you guys come to visit, I got a bedroom for all you guys. It's pretty sick.
This is unreal, man.
So there's another big room. I don't know what we're doing in this room.
Ping pong tables.
Ping pong tables. Yeah.
So cool.
Is this above the bridge?
Yeah. So we're above. So this view is super cool. Like when this plastic is off, like being able to see the mountains and everything, this is gonna be like one of the coolest views.
Unreal.
Yeah, I love the huge windows. The vaulted ceiling's pretty cool too. But yeah, this is just kind of like a hangout room. Another like game room. I don't know.
This feels like the end of the house. But then there's this.
It is the end of the house.
Holy crap, man.
That was the nonsense. None of that stuff matters. Okay? That's just there because it has to be there because the bank wouldn't finance this. So this is the garage. This is honestly the coolest room in the entire house, in my opinion. Because you have the best view, you have everything you need. You have a kitchen here. I've thought about putting my bed right there, honestly.
Dude, okay. What if we hooked up a swing right there?
I thought about that. I honestly have. Or even like a little zip line.
That
Zip
would
line
be
sick.
dope.
A fireman's pole from here to the Batcave.
A couple tramps
Oh,
would be great.
sick. Trampolines, yeah, that would be cool. Foam pit. So there's gonna be a deck right here soon, obviously, with it safe, you know. This view is my favorite view though. I just love like looking down on cars, it's such a unique perspective. And like being able to hang up here with the homies, like, you know, grilling steak, making pizza, you have TV on, and then the deck's just here with all the cars. Like, it's just all open. One of my goals for the garage is to be able to walk around in your socks. Like, I want it to feel like it's part of the house. I don't want it to be a garage feel. Like, it's gonna be air conditioned in the summer, heated in the winter. You can just stroll around and just like Oscar can run around, and it doesn't feel like a garage environment. That's like the goal.
I feel like you're well on your way. It doesn't look like a garage.
Yeah. There's still a lot of finished work, but
My garage feels like a closet.
your garage is huge. Chandler needs to buy more cars, okay? Who's ever watching today's video, be sure to smash that like button because Chandler needs to buy more cars to fill his garage. Because how many cars do you have? 3? 4?
Yeah.
And you can fit 8 cars.
He needs more.
I'll
needs a
buy
lot more
more
cars.
from you at a discount.
Okay. I'll sell you the Veyron for $1.2 million. That's a $50,000 discount.
$50,000 discount sounds better on other cars.
I just gave you $50,000 off. So this is gonna be an office as well. So we have glass walls coming in. So this is gonna be all glass, and then this is gonna be all glass. So I'll have a desk right there. Unfortunately, this column, it has to exist structurally, which is unfortunate, but so the goal is to have a desk right there and you can kind of like see out and see the cars. The original design of the house was just this, with that, and then I had to add that for finance
They wouldn't
reasons.
finance it.
Yeah, there wasn't enough livable space for the loan. Like there has to be like a certain percentage. I'm sure you know better than me, but yeah, they wouldn't finance it. So that's what we built the rest of
Truth
the
be
house.
told, I've never tried to build a massive garage with a small living space.
I'm a very unique individual, very unique needs. But someday the house, maybe I'll get married, maybe I'll have kids, or maybe I'll sell it to somebody who has. So
It'd be hard to leave this, man.
I know. Someday I might get lifts. Like I could I could put 4 lifts and I could double the capacity of this garage if I needed to, because the ceilings are so high. Like, could you imagine walking in and there's 4 cars, 4 cars, 4 cars, 4 cars? That would be wonderful.
Do you ever worry with the Batcave that you'll forget to put the lift up and then drive?
So there's a platform right here that'll sit flush, and that'll be the top platform. Then there will be a platform down below that'll sit flush with that. So when I pull a car onto the elevator down in the Batcave and lift it up, this platform will lift up and almost get flush to the ceiling. And then that platform down below will become flush and I'll drive out. So the thing you don't want to do is leave a car parked here and then lift the elevator, because then the car would be lifted into the ceiling. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
To the Batcave.
This is the coolest part of the entire house in my opinion. Like, as far as just like a party trick, you know?
Just raw coolness.
Yeah. We got Ryan, who did 1 pull-up. That's it.
Just one. Just one. Pull-up competition, dude. I'll beat Garrett.
You will be. I weigh 275.
So,
Okay, that's actually not that bad, because these
do.
pull-ups are hard because you're just using your fingers, you know? Hey, you can't set a new record in my house.
Oh, how many have you done?
Okay, well, I'm done.
this is absolutely incredible. Like,
So this will be
is
Lamborghini parking only.
really.
So imagine, and every single Lamborghini needs to be a different bright color. So there will be all Skittles, yeah.
So you have a ton of cars to buy still.
Oh yeah. Well, I built this garage with room to grow, you know, because when I started building this house, I think I had 8 cars, and I have room for 21 cars without having to double park any cars.
Wow.
So if I wanted to double park cars, I could put another 10 cars in these garages.
30.
I could have 30, yeah. I'm at 14. I was at 17. 15 is arriving soon. So I'm at 15 right now.
Wow.
Yeah. But I have 3 more cars on order, and like...
So we're gonna keep this partnership where we buy and sell and trade back and forth for years to
Absolutely.
come.
Yeah, this is a long time friendship.
This is good,
You
you know?
might just be buying though to fill this all up.
That's true.
Might
I'm
not
gonna have to
be
buy
any more
more.
selling.
Yeah. No, it's true. I mean, it's the goal is just to have all the important Lamborghinis someday down here.
Yell as loud as you can.
Hello. That is very weird.
Sound has nowhere to bounce. Sound has nowhere to bounce in there.
I think once the drywall's in,
Echo! Is that loud over there?
we'll still be able to hear that.
Yeah, so it's just kind of wired right now. But kind of like the Batcave, the basement will not be done for quite a while. The theater especially. Like, they'll finish this, we'll do drywall, we'll do a paint, and this room will just kind of sit for until I make more money. Yeah, basically, you know, because I want to do the theater right when I do it, but I don't need it. It's not a necessity, obviously. So maybe in a year or something, you know, work with somebody like Kyle and just go crazy and do something sick at that point.
So cool.
Yeah. Cold storage room right here. This is where you keep the meat.
That's
We're
right.
gonna store a lot of meat in this room. Lots and lots of meat.
I love how your actual garage doesn't even make the video. It's just an
Oh yeah,
afterthought.
by the way, we got 2 2-car garages.
Like, what are you gonna put in these? Just the daily?
All the
TRX?
trucks. Gladiator in that one, TRX and Hummer in this one. And Gladiator in that. And then I'll just have a bunch of space to just be able to walk through. That'd be really nice.
cool.
Yeah, so I mean, obviously I want a big courtyard because lots of my videos I like to bring all the cars outside for photos and thumbnails and whatnot. So big courtyard right here. And then someday I want to build a detached garage, like somewhere right here, where you have more garage doors. So you come into this courtyard and there's just garage door, garage door, garage door, garage door, garage door. You know, that just leads to cool, you know, cool things.
And an outdoor kitchen.
Yes. And an outdoor
With the
kitchen.
smoker.
Yes, definitely. I want to do a go-kart track for sure with like 6 electric go-karts. It'd be so sick. Pools coming someday. It's crazy. We have been on the same path and we've had the same hurdles. So like we can relate to each other unlike anybody else.
I think it'll be so cool to say we're actually in. I don't believe it's gonna happen.
I honestly feel like it's never gonna happen. I'm like,
It won't.
something's gonna happen to me, I'm never gonna move in.
Well, seriously, congrats so much. And
Thank you,
Thank
thank
you
you.
so much for the tour.
Dude, thank you for coming down. And yeah, can't wait to see your house, dude.
Sweet. It'll be fun. Well, hey guys, if you enjoyed it, remember to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'm guessing we'll get another invite back once it's filled with cars.
If Yogi's planning to cook again,
Let's go!
absolutely.
All right.
Definitely.
Thanks, guys.
I'm picturing a video with tons of bean bags.
Yes.
Just obscene amounts of bean bags, and you throwing gainers off that.
I'm imagining you, whatever you did into that lake, that wasn't a game, what was that? How do you describe that?
That was a back.
No, that was a
Side flop.
It was the Yogi side flop. Yeah, the Yogi side flop. I imagine you doing that and I'm filming. I do really good at filming. I do bad at flopping. If I flop, I break.
I'll work on it.